What's up everyone, this is Chaotic Sonics. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Cyberpunk string sounds with robotic Star Wars-like effects using the TripleCheese synth and the Gorgon ring and frequency modulator. The TripleCheese synth uses a comb synth oscillator, which is great for synthetic and nostalgic but somewhat realistic string synth sounds. To make it sound even more realistic, I automated the tone and damp knobs. I also used a fruity envelope controller on the volume and linked them with layer because I like the way the violin attack sounded with it. The plugin effects I'm using are Epic Verb, Density MK3, Thrill Seeker XTC MK2, Ferric TDS MK2, Nasty DLA MK2, Epic Verb, Gorgon, LCF, and Nasty VCS. Comment, rate, share, subscribe, and stay safe.